What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we pretty much took our Reese's Pieces Road Glide down to the track, man, here in Houston. Yes, man, we went up to Houston Motorsports Park, took on some of the fastest bikes in Texas. Yes, we ended up losing in the semifinals, but I ain't gonna hold you. We definitely put on for LA, man. They wasn't expecting me to win on some of the races. So, you know, with me coming out on top, man, it just surprised a whole bunch of people, not only them, but me, myself, man. So I can't wait to get back out there on the track. Meanwhile, it is the next day here, man. You guys seen we also picked up our Road Glide. It's finally time to get that thing off the truck. It's been sitting on there for like 2-3 days, man. So I'm ready to get back to work. I hope you guys are too, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We're on our way to 100,000 subscribers, man. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy, man. It's free and easy to do. I don't even understand how we don't got 100,000 subscribers yet. It's just freaking nuts to me, man. But all in all, man, I appreciate the ones who did and everybody who's about to hit it right now, man. It's time to go up. Today we're going to be pulling our Road Glide off the truck, getting that thing situated, getting it ready for paint, just seeing what else we may need on it. I need to find some exhaust. Our Reese's Pieces is tucked away. Our green bike, we got our lowers for it, so we could put our chrome lowers on there. But our rims in LA is actually done today. I know I've been saying that, but I actually called him today, early this morning, and he hit me like, yeah, man, they're going to be done today. So with that being said, it looks like we're going to be heading out to LA pretty soon if I can't find my transporter to bring the wheels this way, man. So we'll see what it is. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. Not only are we going to get this Road Glide situated today, but we got our winter bikes right here ready to go. I'm actually probably going to be pulling those out, washing those things up, and then just getting everything else on those things tidied up because those should be picked up today, if not tomorrow. So I can't wait for that, man. If you guys missed out on the Big 22, man, you guys know we bringing more life, man. Yes, man. We got the More Life giveaway. We're giving away our Chevy Silverado over there, brand new with only 4,000 miles, paired together for first place with our 2020 Road Glide Reese's Pieces with a build 124, man. Y'all seen me knocking off everybody out there, man. So you take this bike to your city, I'm sure you're gonna be top dog, man. Not only do we got first place though, we got second place, which is our 2018 Road King with the Everything Regular Money Green on there, man. I can't wait to get these lowers on there and these wheels. Hey, you never know, I might just cam this thing up for you and had this thing really sliding like the blue one was. But you guys know it's so much more to come with this build, so I can't wait. Get in while you can, because like I said, this giveaway is a lot more limited than the Big 22. So with that being said, we're just about halfway sold out already. Yes, man, already we are just about halfway sold out, so I can't wait for that. Meanwhile, we got first and second place. We got third place, which is our 2018 Road Glide that we about to be pulling off the truck today. Now, if you guys would kindly help me out, man, I'm actually about to get this paint set together now. So drop your paint ideas right now in the comments below. Give me some ideas for this paint job. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the More Life giveaway, man, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy this camo, orange, and blue Everything Regular hat, man, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Like I said, man, you guys been showing out and showing up. The hats are only $75, man. Trying to knock this thing out quick so we can get more in and more out, man. You guys know what time it is. If you guys haven't already, head on over there right now. But it's time to get this bike off the back and see what's up with it, man. Alrighty, it's been up there since you guys seen it, man. It's been about 4 days. So I'm actually pull this thing off now that we can put it back up there on its own power and we ain't gotta push it. But I can't wait. We got Big Blue sitting right here looking oh so pretty. Now I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna be doing with this blue truck. I might hang on to it, revamp it up, change the color and the wheels and stuff. I don't know. Then again, I actually got something else in mind, man. So we'll see what we can do there, but y'all gotta stay tuned for that. This thing got spider webs and everything on it already, man. So I gotta move this truck around and just, you know, drive it a little bit more. So we'll see what's good. Meanwhile, let's get that bike off the back now, shall we? Just like that, we got that thing off the truck. Now, granted, I didn't freaking got the bike stuck up on there and it grinded these little O2 sensor wires off. So those are done for, but we got to get new exhaust and all that anyway. So no big deal. No big deal. It seems like the only real issue, honestly, is the crash bar. It's not really that big of a deal. We'll get a new inner and outer steel though. But all in all, not that bad. Literally cosmetics at this point. So I can't wait to take all this stuff off and get it ready to go, man. It's a movie, dog. But before we put this thing in the garage and get it going, man, and order the parts we need to order, I want to hear this thing crank up. I really do. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Nice fire up action, nice fuel pump going. Nice everything. Got the little pipe down there. Ready to go. Let's see. And we got a little bit of gas up in there. Let's see what we got, man. Battery may be too dead. Battery may be too dead. We'll see. Man. Battery is too dead, man. Look at that thing. A little bit too dead. There we go. There we go. You gotta have some faith. You gotta have some faith in that bad boy, baby boy. You gotta have some faith in now. She's sounding good. She's sounding good, that's for sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's a movie. It is a movie, man. I can't wait. Operation Teardown starts now. Operation Teardown starts now, y'all. Big cam on there, man. Big cam on there, man. Y'all see what it is, though, man. This thing right here is sounding a freaking amazing. Sounding like a freaking beast, man. So I'm actually going to be ordering a new inner and outer, so I don't got to take these off right here. Do I got to take the front fender off? Front fender's good. Yes, we can take our front fender off. And he actually had a 21 on here. Now that I'm looking at it, he's got some fenderizers. So dude had an aftermarket 21 on here. We got our fender we'll take off. We got our gas tank we'll take off. Side covers. And actually we can leave everything on here but the gas tank now that I'm thinking about it. Because we're going to probably be going with the CVO style rear tail lights. That's what I'm thinking, man. So the only thing we really got to take off and take to LA is this gas tank, and then the front fender, and probably these storage door covers. Of course, fork sliders and stuff like that, but literally nothing major at all, man. The bike sounds like a beast. I'm sure it runs like a beast when it gets everything it really needs, like the tuner and the right exhaust and all the stuff plugged up. But so far so good. Meanwhile, back in the garage. Now, this thing has been sitting up on a jack stand for like a week and a half, 2 weeks. I got the kickstand for it, and there's a piece that the OEM doesn't fit on the PM kickstand. So I'm gonna just find a whole complete kickstand so I don't have to keep wheeling and dealing and trying to piece together stuff. So this one is gonna be on the jack stand a little bit longer if we don't just prop it up somewhere else. However, this one is about to get pulled out. This one is about to get pulled out. And this one is about to get pulled out, man. We got to bring these things to the forefront and move these bikes to the back, man. So I actually got to pull a few of these out. I'm gonna move the truck up a little bit and pull some of these out, and we gonna get it going, man. Just like that, we done got all these bikes pulled out, looking real good. That's a nice lineup. I ain't gonna hold you. Definitely a nice lineup. Now granted, they all need a washing because they just so dusty, but all of them is ready to go, man. All of them is ready to go. I think this one's probably the dirtiest. We'll clean them all up, but I can't wait. Can't wait. We got this one situated, speaker covers on there, floorboards on there, turn signals, everything is ready to go there. And then this one, we're still waiting on the wheels, but it'll be easier to have the bike there and then just ship the wheels off. And you know, I don't know, we'll see what we can do. But furthermore, these bikes are ready to go. Most of them is getting picked up today and tomorrow, so we'll see what's up there. Meanwhile, back in the garage, we got our Road Glide here. We got our Road King, our Blue Road King, and then our Street Glide, man. You guys already know what time it is. Our first place bike is up for grabs now. Our Reese's Pieces is gonna be paired together for first place with our 2021 Silverado truck over there. So I can't wait for that. Second place, we got our 2018 Road King. And in third place, we got our Road Glide here, man. All of these with the everything regular ooh and ah effect, man. You guys know what time it is, and you know how I'm coming, man. It's about to be a movie, man. Let's see what else we can get done. And before we put these things back up, it's obviously too hot to freaking watch these things right now. Sun is beaming. I'm gonna actually hold these until the morning, because I think that's when our transport is supposed to be here in the morning. So we're gonna get a first start up on these things, or a last start rather, and get it going, man. There we go. There we go. Sound real good. Sound real good. Let's get her in the garage real quick. Now that we got that street glide out the way, let's get this road glide together, man. Let's get this road glide together. Let's see what we got. Looking good. Sounding even better. Sounding even better. Looks good, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Comments below, man. It's time to go yay yay. And last but not least, we got our 2022 Road Glide Special, built 124. This was the fastest bike in my arsenal before the orange bike came about. So, I guess I'll do the honors. Woo! Yes, sir. Kelly, thing sounds freaking amazing. Just like that, we got them back in here. Like I said, I will wash them up right now, but I ain't gonna hold you. It's hot as heck out here. But furthermore, man, these things is looking good, sounding even better. On their way to the new owner, man. It is a movie. It is a movie. When I say movie, it's about to go down. Oh, gotcha. Don't you go. Got him. Yeah. Anywho, but you guys see the bikes here all loaded up, ready to go. We got 1, 2, 3, ready to get to everything regular special, man. They are just about complete. The Road Kings is almost there, and the Road Glide is up next, man. I'm trying to figure out what color I'm gonna do this thing, man. So y'all let me know y'all ideas in the comments below. Meanwhile, it's time to get these things shipped out. I'm ready to go, man. Alrighty, guys. Later on in the day here, it is time to get these bikes situated, ready to go. Can't freaking wait. North Carolina, you're going the furthest, so I guess you're up first, man. In the morning, this bike will be getting picked up as well, so I can't wait, man. Y'all see what it is. Alrighty, guys, next day here. You guys see the bike headed to North Carolina. It's already out here. They picked it up last night, so now it's time for our 2022 to head out of here, man. I didn't even get a chance to wash it up or nothing, but we out here ready to go up, man. It's time to load this thing up and get it out of here. I can't wait. Them wheels is looking oh so good. Real nice bike, coming in full effect all the way to St. Louis, man. We on the way, dog. It's a movie. Here we are. It's time, man. How you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
Good seeing you.
You got to record.
Have we met before?
No.
What's your name?
Chanel.
Oh, we haven't met before. Okay, bet. No, go for it.
Oh no, I said, are you able to help me though?
Oh yeah, no, I got you. Let me put some shoes on real quick. All right, so you're pulling this one off?
Yeah, to put yours on, and then I'm gonna put this one back on.
Okay, cool.
What's your name?
I'm Ashton.
Ashton.
Nice to meet you. You don't have a strap, huh? For this wrap, it might slide down when we take it off.
Oh, no, this is all that it came with.
Okay, so bet. I'll show you. So like to avoid the whole motorcycle falling off and shit, because I didn't back off something like this and then the whole ramp fell while the bike was still on there.
Oh.
So I usually try to strap the ramp down just so you don't run into that problem. I think this one's going to St. Louis.
Okay. Yeah, he said there was another one going to North Carolina.
Yeah, North Carolina, she picked that one up, and then this one's going to St. Louis, and then I have one more that's going to El Paso.
Okay.
But the El Paso bike isn't ready to ship.
Okay.
So at least that'll hold it in place.
Oh yeah, that is
So now,
All right. You said St. Louis, correct?
Yep.
All right. Oh, that's a nice bike.
Oh, yes.
So what do you like? I would have to purchase a raffle ticket. Is that how it works?
So basically, I sell my hats and stuff like that.
Okay.
So if you buy a hat, you automatically entered in for a chance to win. So just for supporting me, you know, I might bless you.
Cool.
So, last startup, y'all. It's all good. It's all good. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
But y'all see it here first, man. This thing is on its way to St. Louis, Missouri. And we got the joint driving with us today. It's a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on. The transporters just keep getting better and better. I'm telling you. But y'all see it here first, man. We're going to get it strapped up. And then we're going to get back to y'all in a second, man. Alrighty, guys. Now that we got those bikes shipped up out of here, we're going to be heading to North Carolina pretty soon. And then St. Louis as well. Like I said, we are waiting on the wheels for the 2018 Street Glide, and we should be picking those up when we go to LA this week. So I can't wait for that. Meanwhile, you guys know we got a new lineup, man. You guys know I don't need 2 dually trucks. So with that being said, man, we just put up our 2022 Ford F350 dually truck and our 2020 CVO Street Glide. Yes, man, the blue big dually truck and the blue CVO that I got paired together for first place together. That'll be first place. Second place, we got our 2021 Silverado and our 2020 Road Glide Reese's Pieces with a Bill 124 on that joint. Third place, we got our 2018 Road King. And fourth place, for the first time ever, man, we got our 2018 Road Glide, man. I can't wait. We got first, second, third, and fourth place this time, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you a camo, Everything Regular hat, or Everything Regular supporter patch, or I Ain't Gonna Hold You patch, man. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway. I can't wait, man. It's almost that time to shine. You guys know what time it is. These bikes are gonna be complete pretty soon. So hopefully as soon as they're complete, they can be out to you, because you guys know when they complete, oh, I can't wait to ride them. And it's gonna be a movie, man. You guys know what to do. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now before they sold out, because you know once they're gone, they are gone, man. Meanwhile, we are on the freeway right now in the vet. Just got a fresh new cut, but we are in the vet getting some stuff done today before we gotta head out of town. And I just wanted to make a quick stop before we go back home and see what else we can get done today.